Today, I'll show you how to stabilize a video in CapCut. Video stabilization helps reduce shaky movement in your footage. This is useful if your video was recorded while walking, moving quickly, holding the camera by hand, or filming without a tripod. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. Tap New Project. Now select the video clip you want to stabilize. Tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once the video appears in the timeline, tap the clip to select it. Now look at the editing tools at the bottom of the screen. Swipe through the tools until you find Stabilize. Tap Stabilize. CapCut will show stabilization options, usually with different strength levels. Choose the level you want. A lower level keeps more of the original frame, but may remove less shake. A higher level can make the video smoother, but it may crop the edges of the video more. For most clips, start with the standard or recommended option. Wait for CapCut to process the stabilization. The processing time depends on the video length and your device performance. When it finishes, play the video from the beginning. Compare the stabilized result with the original movement. If the video still looks shaky, increase the stabilization strength and preview it again. If the video looks too cropped or unnatural, reduce the stabilization level. You can also trim the clip before stabilizing, if only part of the video is shaky. After you are happy with the result, make any final edits, such as brightness, contrast, music, captions, or transitions. Finally, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your video quality settings, then save the stabilized video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully stabilized a video in CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.